Meaning of great white shark.
Great white shark.
Great white shark.
Great white shark.
Great white shark. The great white shark, also known as the white shark or white pointer, is a species of large predatory fish found in oceans worldwide. They are characterized by their distinctively shaped pointed snout, powerful jaws armed with rows of razor-sharp teeth, and grayish-white skin. Great whites are apex predators that feed on a variety of marine organisms including fish, seals, and sea lions. Due to their impressive size and fearsome reputation, great white sharks have captured the popular imagination and are often portrayed in popular culture as dangerous and mysterious creatures.